Hello, so hey everyone, this is Anshli and today I'm going to make a video on my makeup tutorial. So this is the first vlog I think so. This will be the first one that I'm going to give a makeover to myself, and let's see how I will create my look. Like I don't know much makeup, but I'm learning that as well parallelly. So let's just start without wasting time and let's see how it turned out. So I'm excited to do my makeup. I have limited things that I borrowed from my sister only. So because all my things are in Gurgaon only, and I also have to purchase so many things. So yes, let's just start without wasting. First I'm applying this minimalist moisturizer. This is body lotion, but I apply it on my face and it looks good. Like it is suiting my face. So don't judge my application because I do this. I really don't. I'm not professional, right? So I just apply it like this way over my body. So as I said, I'm learning everything. So you will see improvement. Oh my god, I put my mic here. Sorry. Okay. So I was saying that don't judge me. I'm learning everything from the scratch. Not a scratch. I know some of the things obviously. But don't judge me because you will see improvement, that I'm very sure, by just watch my videos, my coming videos, and you will see improvement. Even I am seeing my improvement in myself because it's been 4 years I'm creating videos. Like I was not consistent, but this time I'm thinking to be consistent because I left my job. I'm taking 6 months for myself. So let's see how it turned out. So I don't know what to apply first. Let me concealer is for, I think, for putting. mm, I don't know, let me apply wherever I want. So I have applied concealer somewhat on my pain areas maybe. Oh shit, I haven't applied primer. Let me apply now. So I'll just mix it up with concealer. Yeah. Now I'm going to apply some contouring. This one looks good. Now I'll apply foundation, Primer Mousse foundation. I'll take little bit of this, and I have one cream that I use very often, and that's my favorite. This I use on a regular basis, whether it's party or whatsoever. So this is my favorite. I don't know why it is not coming. So I just little bit I'll apply it over everywhere because that's not my what you say, that's not my skin type foundation, so that's why I'm not applying too much. And now I'll take this cream a little bit. I'll use it as foundation.
Door off.
Oh my god. Okay, no issues. Now my mic on off. So just tap 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 tap. how is it? My base is done almost. Now I have to apply this strobe cream. So this is highlighter, primer, moisturizer. So this gives a very good highlight to my face. You will see it. मेरी बहन मुझे मार देगी अगर मैंने ज़्यादा यूज़ किया, so I have taken a little bit as a highlighter. It's really good. Okay, now I will use this lipstick as my blush and lipstick as well. So now I'll do eye makeup a little bit. Okay, now I'll use this one, brown one. Now we'll apply some highlighter. Oh my god. So yes, my makeup is almost done, so just let me know how it's looking. I need to finish it up with my kajal. So मेरा मेकअप डन हो चुका है और मैं अब जा रही हूँ चेंज करके आती हूँ, फिर देखती हूँ कि कैसा लगता है पूरा लुक, और इसके बाद मैं ट्रांजिशन वीडियोस भी बनाने जा रही हूँ. सो जस्ट टेल मी ये फर्स्ट ट्राई मेरा कैसा था, और इसमें भी मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करूँगी. सो यस, दिस इज़ इट. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है, जस्ट अ मिनिमल मेकअप, न्यूड मेकअप आई वुड से. लिपस्टिक भी मेरे ऊपर डार्क नहीं पसंद है मेरे को, तो मैंने ऐसे ही रखा है, लाइट में डालती हूँ मैं. सो दिस इज़ दी दिस इज़ माई फाइनल लुक. बस एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, वो है मेरा बिंदी. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इज इट लुकिंग गुड और शुड आई चेंज इट टू कलरफुल वन. मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा बिंदी नहीं है, मम्मी की मैं लेके आई हूँ. आई एम थिंकिंग टू गो विद ऑरेंज. मुझे दिख ही नहीं रही है. Let me put this one. I think this one is better, right? मैंने कान का माउंट टिक्की की तरह लगा लिया है. So this is my final look. Just let me know how is this look is. So I think it's looking pretty good according to me. Let me show you full outfit. मैंने एक पेयर किया है इसको एक स्कर्ट के साथ, और सो यस सो कैसा है मेरा ये पूरा लुक, जस्ट टेल मी। अभी तो बहुत ही मिनिमल सा है और मुझे ऐसा ही मेकअप पसंद है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। सो यस, ओके बाय, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल हेयर. It was amazing creating and doing my makeup. So yeah, bye bye.
खिड़खिड़ हੱਸਦੀ नजर ਕਮੀ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੂੰ ਸਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ